Welcome to Vision Group. In 1995, Vision Apparels Limited started with two lines short production unit. Vision Group has achieved confidence of the customers by offering quality of merchandise, competitive price, and on-time delivery. Presently, Vision Group has 4 garments factories, 1 accessories factory, 1 washing factory, and 1 embroidery factory to cater to the demand of the customers. Out of 7, 2 garments factories are in Mirpur, Dhaka, and rest of the 5 factories are in Savar in our own premises. In Mirpur, we have Vision Apparels Limited, Taurus Styles Limited, and Vision Group Head Office. In Savar, we have Vision Garments Limited, Vision Composite Knit Limited, Vision Washing Limited, Vision Accessories Limited, and Vision Embroidery Limited. Vision Group has over 8,000 employees who are the assets of the company. Vision Group's philosophy and customers are: Vision Group management always prefers to offer competitive price, to produce quality merchandise, to deliver on-time merchandise, to satisfy customers with good communication, and to believe in long-lasting relations. We acknowledge that our suppliers, with whom we have business relationships, play a vital role to achieve our mission to satisfy our customers and make everyone happy. We have been maintaining a high degree of professionalism with our suppliers, consistent and long-lasting relation with our suppliers in order to have timely delivery of raw materials and quality of products which support export delivery. Vision Group acknowledges and are deeply grateful for the dedication, loyalty, and contribution made by all our staff at all levels of responsibility. Without their support and dedication, the company would not exist at the size and scale at which it operates today, and it also can't grow further without their support that we expect. Vision Group provides the best working environment, delegate jobs with full trust and one-to-one responsibility, maintain chain of command, appropriate check and balance system, and have good supervision and follow-up system. Thank you. Now introducing our Managing Director, Chairman, and you all for staying with us and giving us an opportunity to present you Vision Group of Companies.